Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit column border in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now select your column serial number and select whole column. Now click on this border option. You can add all border, inside border. First I will show you all border. Now change your border color. You can choose any border color. Also you can add here custom border color and select OK. And see this border classes, and you can change border thickness. Also you can add here dash border, this is dotted border, this one double underline border. Also you can add here only outside border, clear all of this border. Now click on this outside border option and see this only outside border added, and there is no inside border. Again clear border, and click here, you can add only inside border and see this again clear. You can add vertical border, and this is right top border, this left border, and this is right border. So many border option here. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.